Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net, and it is Thursday the 19th of February. Thanks again for watching. Got an early update for you today of the Japanese month ahead outlook. This is the output from the JMA model. If you do want a forecast for the next day or so, then check out Gary's fast forecast video. So this is week one then. This has taken us from today, so from the 19th right the way through until the 27th of February. And what this one is showing us is the lower than normal heights expected across the UK during the course of this week. Just look at the strength of that jet stream coming across the UK, indicating strong winds, unsettled conditions, changeable conditions, and certainly rain at times. A really strong jet stream of the sort that we haven't seen for quite a while developing across the Atlantic. So that's the 500 millibar flow. If we take a look at the surface pressure, this is again for the same period. So this is going up to the 27th of February. This is MSLP. And look, there's the low up towards the north. Look, here's the west-northwest flow blowing through the country, just confirming those unsettled conditions. Now, on to week two. So this goes from the 27th of February through until the 5th, isn't it? 5th of March, and 500 millibar flow here. Again, look, showing low than normal heights. Here's the jet stream, but notice it's been pushed back a little bit further north. The heights building down towards the south. So hint of an improvement taking place. Now, it may well take some time for that improvement to get into the south. I would have thought at the back end of the week, so sort of towards the 3rd, 4th and 5th, before that pressure starts to build from the south, but certainly indications of an improvement taking place. But before that, it could be pretty wet, pretty windy, staying unsettled for most, particularly in the north and the west. And the forecast pressure anomalies, so this is mean sea level pressure for the same period. Again, look, showing that build of pressure down to the south, but you notice that generally pressure around normal across much of the country, although low than normal up towards the north, and it will take time, as I say, for this high to build its way north. And then into the final period, so this is going from the 6th of March through until the 20th of March. And this is an interesting one because the CFS is backing up this model as well, and the ECMWF is doing exactly the same thing. Look, this is 500 millibar heights once again, the anomalies. But look, we've got a ridge built through the country with above normal heights, indicating pressure building during this middle stage of March. Now, if we take a look at surface pressure, the anomaly for then also showing a 4 to 8 millibar above normal range in here, look. So this indicating that we're getting high pressure building towards the south. Yeah, we've still got low pressure up towards the north. It may be that northern and western Scotland continue to see some rain, but this developing story of high pressure building in, getting its way northwards into that middle stage of March. So I would work on kind of from the 10th perhaps onwards to see that high getting into the south, conditions settling down, the winds easing, far more unsettled, and the hint of drier weather coming through. It may lead to some overnight frosts, so it could mean that we actually have frostier conditions that we've seen for some time. But certainly with the JMA now backing this up, the CFS there and the ECMWF, we're building this picture of building pressure through March. So despite it going really stormy, and potentially very stormy during the next week to 2 weeks, actually it looks like those conditions not lasting long before things settle down. So I wanted to bring you that as soon as that was hot off the press, so you've got the very latest information. I'll leave you with that for now. Like I say though, don't forget to check out Gary's fast forecast, and if you'd like us to tell you when these videos are updated, if you've not done so already, just send a blank email to the address that's on the screen here, generalweather-subscribe@weatherweb.net, and we'll let you know when the video is updated. Don't worry, you won't get bombarded with anything else. We keep your email addresses, so don't have any fears about that. We just let you know when the videos are updated. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now, but whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks again for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.